So let's start with a quick clip. What is the US stock market?
The stock market is a great place to generate wealth. But before getting started, you have to understand a few basic terms. For instance, stock, share, and equity. They're all synonymous, all representing a partial ownership of a company. So if you buy stock in Apple or Singtel, you officially own a share of the company. Buy 1,000 shares in a company that offers 100,000 shares, and you own 1%. Owning shares allows you to benefit from a company's growth and profits in the form of capital gains and dividend payouts. Capital gains represent the difference between the purchase price of an investment and the eventual selling price. So if you buy one share of a company for $1 and eventually sell that share for $5, you receive $4 in capital gains per share. A dividend payout is the percentage of a company's earnings that get paid to shareholders who have stock in the company, usually on an annual basis. Those are the basic terms.
So, what is the stock market? So, dalawang types ka pwedeng kumita. Una is by dividend payouts. Dividend payouts is babayaran ka ng kumpanya kung saan ka nag-invest ng pera. Depende kung gaano kadaming shares ka meron. For example, bumili ka ng 5 shares. Sa 5 shares, nag-declare ang kumpanya na magbabayaran nila ang kanilang stockholders ng 10 pesos per share. So since meron kang 5 shares, makaka-receive ka ng deposit sa iyong account ng 50 pesos. Sa US stock market is mga 100 and up to 150 pesos sila magbayad per share. Ang second naman kung paano ka kumita is through value or stock appreciation. For example, nag-invest ka today ng 10,000 mo. After 1, 2, or 3 years, kapag katapos ng gamitin ng kumpanya ang pera mo, pwedeng tumaas ang value ng 10,000 mo na magiging 100,000 after 2 to 3 years kasi napagkakitaan na ng kumpanya kung saan ka nag-invest. So, kapag tumaas na ng 100,000 yung kinita mo, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw at ilagay sa iyong personal account. Pero going back to the basics, here's an example. Kunyari, yung best friend mo is naghahanap ng ka-business partner. Kulang siya ng puhunan. Ang sabi niya sa'yo is mag-invest ka raw sa kanya ng 10,000. Na hati kayo sa kikitain at hati kayo sa profits dun sa gagawin niyang business na restaurant. Okay? Kasi kulang nga siya ng puhunan. Tapos, kapag nagamit niya na yung 10,000 mo, meron ka marireceive na kita. Kapag lumago ang restaurant niya, nagkaroon ng branches, up to 10 branches, tataas na yung value ng ininvest mong 10,000 sa kanya kasi agdagdag pa siya ng branches na part investor kanya. Okay? Ang stock market is the same sa best friend mo. Kaso, on a bigger worldwide scale sa US stock market. For example, si McDo naghahanap ng investor. McDo company is looking for investors around the world like you para may pangdagdag puhunan sila pang tayo ng additional branches. Na ang kapalit, pwede mong ibenta ang puhunan mo kapag tumaas ang value ng 10,000, una mong puhunan na pwede kang kumita ng 100,000 after years. Okay? Pero logically, ikaw as an investor, pag-aaralan mo muna kung saang business ang kikita in the next few years. Siyempre, hindi ka naman mag-invest sa yung pinaghirapan mong 10,000 sa best friend mo na magtatayo daw ng restaurant pero di naman marunong magluto. Diba? Kailangan, lalagay mo pera mo, kailangan maging bilib ka muna. Kailangan mo malaman sa isang business kung meron ba siyang patutunguhan. Okay? With my expertise, you do not have to study for countless of hours every day, magbayad ng mahal ng courses sa classes, and mag-trial and error na baka mawala pa yung puhunan mo kasi nagte-testing ka eh. The premium service is designed to be easy, concise, and beginner-friendly. So, moving forward, these are the stock prices of some of the popular established companies. Okay? If you want to buy or invest in Microsoft, you will only have to pay $93. Isang ba si Microsoft? $93.05 or 4,833 pesos. As little as 5,000 pesos, you can invest and ride along with Microsoft's financial achievements. You may ask, nag-iiba-iba ba ang stock prices? The answer is yes. Stock prices moves and changes every second. Yesterday, Coca-Cola was $43.70. The next week, it can be $43.72. Okay? The key is not to prioritize or focus too much on the incremental price movements because we invest not because of the price or yung konting pagbaba or konting pagtaas, but nag-invest tayo para sa past, present, future achievements ng company kasi investor tayo. Ang ibang tao is bibili ngayon, bebenta agad-agad, bukas, pero hindi pa nagagamit talaga ng kumpanya yung ininvest mong pera para makarealize ng totoong gain. And as you can see, it's 4,000 lang pala. Sa Pfizer, 1,000, 2,000 pala. Bakit ang mura? Kasi, hindi naman talaga pang mayaman ang pag-i-invest sa stock market. Pang public talaga to. Kaya tawag sa kanila is public companies. Okay? Pangkalahatan talaga ang stock market. Hindi lang ito pang mayaman. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng daan at magtuturo sa'yo sa tamang pag-i-invest. Na pwede pala maging stockholder ng Microsoft ng 5,000 pesos lang pala. Or Disney, around 5,349. If gusto mo makita yung current price today, you can type in Disney. Ito, kopyahin mo itong symbol, DIS, space Disney. I-google mo lang, lalabas na yung current stock price niya. So, what drives the stock price to move? Okay, bakit ba siya pababa, pataas, pababa, pataas? The stock prices move because of the market forces, such as shown on the screen. Ito, napakadami, di ba? A, B, C, D, E, and up to 16. Market forces can make the stock price move temporarily or can change the entire long-term direction. Sa sobrang daming factors nito, it is impossible to guess ano magiging presyo nito kinabukasan. Pero yung mga traders or nagagamble dyan is they get the possibility kung tataas para sa quick money. Pero hindi talaga siya pang long run. I'll explain it to you later. Going back, dahil sa dami ng factors nito, dito nagmula at ibang studies tulad ng technical, fundamental analysis, sub-branches. There are thousands of strategies to choose from and one is not better than the other. To name a few, merong harmonics, merong moving averages, merong CAN-SLIM, merong MACD, merong P/E ratio, and so on. Because of this information overload, people often forget the very foundation and fundamental reason what drives the stock prices to move. Ito naman ay ang chart. The chart is a visual representation ng historical stock price ng company. What happened in the past. For example, Apple Company, ito yung bebenta ng iPhone, yung Mac mo, and iPad mo. Apple company has its temporary ups and downs. As you can see, ito, pababa, pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa. Pero, on the, eventually, makikita mo na, pataas pala yung movement ng company. This is all because of the company financial achievements. The reason na pababa, pataas yan is because of the temporary news. Let's see. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo sa temporary up and down. So, as you can see, this is good news. Apple is replacing batteries for 13-inch MacBook Pros. And this is bad news. Shares slip again. Concerns over iPhone sales. Slowing iPhone sales. And this, ito, bumaba yung down because of negative analyst reports. Pero, meron din silang Apple's HomePod has a long way to go. There's a future a product. So, there's bad news and there's good news. Naghalo-halo yan. Sobrang dami. And then, you have to, some of the people study the charts too. So, sobrang dami. Pababa pataas. Hindi mo talaga foresee kapag magiging short-term trader ka, kapag mag-i-invest ka tas bebenta mo agad bukas. Ang totoong pag-i-invest is hintayin mo yung isang business cycle which is 1 year and then move it up to 2-3 years. But as you can see, kahit may temporary ups and downs si Apple, umangat din siya kasi may confident ka na aangat yung value ng Apple because it's Apple, di ba? But going back, the very foundation and the reason bakit nagbababa taas ang stock price is supply and demand. Share prices change because of supply and demand. If more people are buying the stock, mayroong demand, then the price moves up. Because maraming investor at maraming pumapasok na pera sa kumpanya. Conversely, if more people are selling the stock, then the price moves down. Kasi palabas ang pera eh. Walang magagamit yung kumpanya na pang reinvest. It is that simple. Pinapakomplikado lang ng iba kasi gusto nila magsugal or mabilis ang pera. Sa totoo lang, kapag nag-invest ka sa business, hindi naman agad-agad eh. Bukas kikita. Pag may nag-offer ng 90%, babalik agad yung pera mo next week or 2 weeks na yung 10 pesos mo magiging 1 million bukas, highly likely, scam yun. Kasi ang totoong pag-i-invest is it takes time. Coming on real-life application, how many buyers or investors are in a US company such as Apple compared to the numbers of investors or buyers sa Philippine companies such as Ayala? Okay, blue chip company sila. So here's a hint. Stockholders, investors, customers of Apple are all over the world. Okay? As an investor, saan ka mag-invest? Sa Apple or Ayala? Check natin yung net income or yung kinita ng Apple at Ayala. Kasi pag nag-invest ka, gagamitin nila yung pera mo at pag tumaas yung value kasi merong kinita ang isang kumpanya, doon tataas yung value ng iyong ininvest. Okay? Kapag kumita yung kumpanya. So, tingnan natin i-google ko lang Apple net income. So, 48.35 billion US dollars ng 2017. Ito, meron din Amazon, 3 billion, Microsoft, 21, Samsung, 36 billion dollars. I-compare natin sa Ayala. Sino ang mas kumikita at saan ka as an investor magkaka-growth ng ininvest mo? Mas tataas ang value. Ito, Ayala net income, ginugol ko lang siya. As you can see, 43.4 billion in pesos. This is on 2016 na, but is it still in pesos? Sa Ayala Land, 24th, Globe Telecom, 13 billion pesos, BPI, 18 billion. Okay? So, para ma-compare natin ng pesos sa dollars sa isang US company, is convert natin. Convert natin to sa US dollars para ma-compare natin. So, 43 billion siya. So, ito siya, billion. 43 billion pesos, Philippine peso to US dollar, 123, 123, 123, yan. 43 billion pesos is converted siya sa 123 hook. So, 826 million. Million lang siya, di pa siya umabot ng billion. 826 million dollars lang siya. Let's say, round na natin sa 1 billion dollars ang conversion ng peso na kinita ng Ayala. So, 1 billion compared mo sa net income ng Ayala, kahit na 2016 pa siya, is wala pa sa kalingkingan. So, as you as an investor, saan mas tataas ang value ng ininvest mong pera? So, you might ask, do I have to monitor the stock price of the company every day? Kasi, di ba, nagpapalit-palit nga yung prices, pababa, pataas? This is a common misconception because the answer is no. You do not have to monitor the stock every day like ginagawa ng traders or gamblers kasi mag-i-invest tayo for the long term as an actual investor. Okay? Ipaparealize ko sa inyo bakit mas effective mag-invest kaysa mag-trade at paano mag-invest ang totoong mayayaman, hindi yung naririnig nyo lang sa tabi-tabi or sa Facebook. Na I'll also show you actual numbers and statistics ng pag-i-invest. Okay?